Hey guys, it's Yvette, and oh my goodness, I feel so OG right now. I don't know why, but you know, if you guys at least come to my lives, you know that I've been having, or like October was a crazy month. It was crazy. Boom, crazy. So I feel like it's been a year and a day since I've opened a box. And I was coming home from work today and thought to myself, you don't feel tired right now. I don't know why, but I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. I thought, you know what? I'm going to sit down. I'm going to make all the videos that are, I'm going to get as close as I can, for all the stuff that's behind me over there. I've got so many boxes that I need to open, and I'm actually super excited about it right now. And I can't say that that happens every day. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to try to go back to the ones that are the furthest back, and start getting them open, because I am just so super stoked today. I don't know why. So let me just share this absolutely positively amazeballs mood that I'm in right now. So this is my creative notions, and this must be for October, because I'm pretty sure that I did September. And so this is the October box. Super excited. Let's get this baby open. Now we are going to get the square boxes through the end of the year, because they're giving us the rulers with their name on it. So really excited about that too. So we're going to have that next size up. Okay. Let me get that open. And yellow paper inside. Very exciting. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. So I'm going to pull out, because I could see like papers. What's this? Is this the what's inside stuff? I think it might be. Okay, yes. So this is the September box? No. Maybe it's still late. Oh my goodness, I hope so, because if not, I'm because I don't think I have any other boxes. Y'all, I have so many boxes over here. It can get overwhelming sometimes, especially if something goes wrong during the month and you just get so... Y'all, look how excited I was. I got a full face of makeup put on. Like, I don't even get this, fixed up to go to work. Okay? All right, I'm going to set this to the side for a second, because I don't want to, read what's inside. You know what? Let me try to, I'm going to try just, read the winners, so that you'll have that information. The September winners. I guess this is a September box. Y'all, I just can't even get over that. Okay. And I guess they're going through scrap. And I noticed this the last time, but I don't think I said anything. So S is for the scrap project. And the winner for the scrap project is Donna Vandebogart. I hope I said that right. Congratulations, Donna. The C is for create a new block. There is no winner this month. Okay. The R is for a recipe, and it is a shared winner, Chloe Davenport and Connie Lindstrand. Hey. The A is for active. So the active member who is this month's winner is Patricia Perriman. And P is for project. And the winner of that for this month is Carol Flynn, or for September. Let's see. Okay, I think... Okay. You guys, I feel so much for Creative Notions, for any of the subscription box people who are like, you know, because what's been going on for the past year, I don't see that it's going to change anytime soon. It's absolutely nutballs. And the hardest part for them is that they probably feel that to you, it sounds like a broken record. But I can just strengthen the fact that it is absolutely true. If you have been watching my unboxings of fabric as it comes in, I want to say it was in September. I have to go back and look, but in September, I got so much fabric, and this was fabric that like I was supposed to get in May, June, July. Do you know what I mean? So I got a hair on my face or something. I'm sorry. I keep like picking at my face. There is like, you know how when you like use a brush for putting on makeup and then it feels like there's a hair somewhere and you can't find it and you can't get it everywhere you touch. It's not there, but you could feel it. Yeah, I got one of them. Okay. So she says, oh, I feel like it's around here somewhere. We here at Creative Notions feel very bad about the latest shipments from us to you. We order the newest fabric from the companies 6 to 8 months in advance. Very true, guys. And expect it to be delivered when they say it will be available. With the backup of ships at ports, we are waiting several weeks longer to get the fabrics, which causes delays in our cutting, folding, and shipping. We realize that most of you understand this, but we do get a few calls and emails. Please be assured that you are very important to us and that we will ship your package as soon as the products arrive and are ready. I'm praying for you, sweetheart. Praying for all of us because it's so true. And for you being like on a schedule, I know exactly what you're talking about. So just, we're all going to have to keep the faith and know that we're all do the very best we can. That's really all you can do. Okay, so the rest is talking about what's in the box, and I want to come back to that. So we have some patterns. The Sew Daisy Pillow and Table Runner Quilt Idea. The block for this table runner and pillow is from the Subscribers Block of the Month competition. So Creative Notions ended up doing a block since I guess no one turned one in. So they did the curved block. And there it is. And there's all sorts of ways that you can put curved blocks together to make different patterns. And they have given us instructions inside. And so the pillow and the table runner are like this. These are the ideas that they have given us. And there's the fabric requirements and the template. Okay, what is this guy? Okay, let me get, what is this? There's so much stuff in here. You know how there's always like a whole bunch of patterns, and I feel like I've just pulled out like 1,000 patterns. Okay. What is this? Oh, this must be a 2-pager maybe? Oh, yes, it is. Okay. So the Jewel Sampler Quilt that we are getting patterns for, this is the Bear Paw Block of the Month. And so there are instructions front and back on how to do that. And then there are, because we always get 2, there's also the Carolina Lily Block of the Month. There it is. And they've given us some rickrack. And it's a front, back. So it's like a 4-page on how to get that done. And I'm assuming that the rickrack is for the stems here. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got a sewing machine cover and ironing station cover. And here's what it looks like. And that's super cute. And there would be the ironing station cover. So if you want to make a cover for a table or something, it's right there. Oh my goodness, that's really cute. Okay, so we have that pattern. We have a lot of patterns. Let me scooch all the patterns over. Okay, now, oh, looky, I got a sucker. Oh, that looks yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, holy cow, we got a lot of stuff in here. All right, let me pull this out. This is a decorative magnet that on here, it has some gold eye basting needles. And this little flower guy is a magnet, and then the needles will stick to him, right? And we have a spool of Gutermann thread. It's like an off-white. Color 1006. I'm not familiar with what it is for Gutermann, but it is 100% cotton. And it looks like it's probably 50 weight. That's what it looks like. Okay. And all right, let me look at the list now so that I can see. Okay, we have, is this the elastic? Elastic. So we got 1/4 inch elastic, 10 yards of it. It must go with the cover for the sewing machine and for the table. That's what I'm assuming it's for. I don't really have time to like go through every single pattern to figure out what it's for, but that's what I'm assuming it's for. And they always give us stuff for, you know, for the projects so that it help us to kind of get them done. So I'm sure that's what it's for. And then we also have some 1/4 inch cord trim, and we got 6 yards of that. And that must also be, you know, for the table cover or the sewing machine cover, one of them. That's very nice. Okay, I'm going to save the fabric for last. Y'all know I always do. And Jellybean is very excited right now. Okay, so here is the next size up ruler. This is an 8.5 inch, nope, sorry, 9.5 inch square. Very nice. Jellybean, you can't, baby, come on now. And then they've given us a cat. No, I'm kidding. So we have a 1/2 yard of Insel Bright. Jellybean, baby, Jellybean. This is some Insel Bright, and I'm sure it's for the table. All right, I'm gonna move the box to the floor and see if maybe he'll scooch. Actually, if he stays with his head down like that, it's not that bad. Okay, but now I need to share with you guys. Hi, sweetheart. You want to do Cat Lady box next? Yeah. He's like, I'm waiting for my box, Mommy. I know. I know, baby. Okay. Do you want to sit on Mommy's lap over here? You're going to have coffee? Okay, I'll have some coffee. Okay. Here's the fabric. Let me see what the name of it is because I've actually never seen this fabric before. It is called So Little Time, S-E-W, by Danielle Leone for Wilmington Prints. Okay. Okay, so she says that there are 2 large prints in this group, a white and a navy of the same print. To be able to have enough to make the ironing board cover, we have sent either the white or the navy to you, but not both. Okay, Jellybean, I'm sorry, sweetheart, but you're going to have to scooch. Mommy's got to show the fabric. Just scooch over this way just a little bit. I know, baby. You want me to move this out the way? Let me move this. Let me move this. Hold on. Ugh. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Okay. Because that's his blanket and I had stuff on it. Okay, so this is called So Little Time. And I'm going to show you the fabric. It looks like I got the blue. I didn't get the white. Because I don't see a white and I do see a blue. Okay. This is what I'm assuming is the duplicate print. I got the blue one. So some people may have this fat quarter in white. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is the next one. You okay, JB? Yeah, you okay? And here's the next one. And the next one, this is number 4. And then fabric number 5. And it's got, this is like a fabric with words. It says things like scraps, stitch, quilt. I don't know what that says. What does that say? It might say blessed. Sew, quilt, sewing, mend. I think that's everything. That's all I see right now, but that's really cute. I love the fabric with the words on it. This is different. Look at this one. What do you guys think about this? I really kind of like it. I think this would be good for like a border of some kind. Like a thicker border, you know, like a good, you know, 3 inches at least, something like that. I like that. And the last one is this guy. Actually, you know what? This might be, I don't know, because this one, we seem to have more of this one. So maybe this is the one that could be white or blue. I'm really not sure. If you have received the box, which y'all got them a year ago, you could tell me which one is the one that's, the other one is a white instead of a blue. It might be this one because it feels like there's more fabric there. I know that it says on here that we have 6 fat quarters and then 1/2 yard cut. And I'm starting to think that it's actually this last one I just showed you with the sewing machine on it. The sewing machines, there's a whole bunch of them. So I think that's probably, I think that's probably the one that's either blue or white. Okay, so that's what we got for apparently September. And since, you know, my month has been so crazy, I'm pretty sure that the October is going to be here soon. So, fingers crossed, you guys, that this month is just like normal. I just want like a normal month where it's just, things go smooth. Or smoother. I'd be good with just smoother. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And let me know what you thought about this box. Talk to you later. Mwah.